Hi there, welcome to One Two Step. In today's video, I am going to guide you through how to make a playlist on Spotify private. And to learn, watch the video till the end. Spotify is a proprietary Swedish audio streaming and media service provider founded on 23rd April 2006 by Daniel Ek and Martin Lorentzen. It is one of the largest music streaming service provided with 433 million monthly active users. Now to make the playlist private, open Spotify app, which you can download from Google Play or App Store based on your device. So open up the Spotify app, and after opening up and logging into Spotify, go to your library, which should be on the bottom corner. After going to your library, you'll see your playlist. Click on the playlist that you want to make it private. After clicking onto the playlist, you'll see a 3-dot. Click on that and there would be an option called Make Private. Click on that and click on Make Private. So you have successfully made your playlist private. So that was the process of making your playlist private on Spotify. If this video was useful, then make sure you give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notification from our side. For now, thank you for watching the video.